Good morning. At least this is good morning for me. It's early on a Saturday, and today is the day the caddy is going to be sold. I'm going to pick this guy up at the airport, and he's going to look at the caddy, and hopefully he will take the caddy with him. So I'm just going to, I don't know, eat, wake up, and have a coffee. The caddy, as you saw, just got sold, and 10 minutes after, and there was a guy. I'm trying to these tires I also put up for sale for some time, and there was this guy who said, okay, I can pick them up, or you need to bring them to me, and I said okay, no problem. So it's about one and a half hour. It's almost 2 hours away from Bergen, so, and I said, yeah, fine, no problem. For the price, I can bring it to this guy. So actually now I just sold the caddy, and now I'm gonna sell these. So I'm gonna talk a bit more about the caddy and the reason I sold it and so on. But I need to bring this. Yeah, see you in a few hours. This is actually not the same day. What you're watching now is a day later, and I'm in my apartment, and I just wanted to, I don't know what this video is really gonna be about. I guess I'm just gonna show some cool clips and photos I've taken with the caddy, the time I've had it, and maybe the reason I've sold it. I bought it only this year in March, and I sold it while recording this video. I sold it yesterday, and the reason I sold it was because this is a really cool car, and the car was still in good condition, I would say, relatively speaking, at least for Norwegian conditions. We have a lot of snow and salty roads, at least in the cities around the larger cities in Norway. Rust and such is a problem with all the cars. Anyway, so the car was still in good condition, and I still could sell it for okay price, in my opinion. Yeah, it's a really cool car. Like the caddy, first generation caddy is so cool. I would really like to have, I wouldn't mind to have another one. But like I have the Golf I have is still not, I have an all-wheel drive Mark 1. If you haven't watched any of my previous video, I have an all-wheel drive Mark 1 Golf, and this is not done. It's drivable, but it still needs some attention before I can like properly drive it. Still needs a tune and some small things. So the Golf needs attention. I haven't been, like, some of my time has gone to this caddy because of a few problems I've had with this car. There hasn't been a lot of problems, I think, but still. The caddy, the reason I sold it, it's like, in short version, the caddy needed some attention. Of course, money, when it comes to, like, I haven't spent much money on it, I would say. But I mean, the gas prices are really high. So that's the reason why. And yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna say. I think I just want to maybe show some video clips and maybe some photos of this car. I hope the new owner will take care of this car. I think it will. So this is some videos of the car and some pictures. Enjoy. And also I'm gonna show some videos and photos of friend's car, because it's gonna be now yesterday. Yesterday me and two friends went to this this cool building with this really cool light, and I will put this video in the end. I made a short video with from this I don't know, spontaneous car shoot, whatever you want to call it. Okay.